Hey guys, hit 350,000 points this time. Yeah, I got higher than 350,000, but yeah, it's even higher, not double, but 50,000 away from double. Yeah, that's really high, at least for me. I haven't gotten higher. This time I had to use a lot of hoverboards. Yeah, last time I didn't have to use any hoverboards, which is like 220,000. Yeah, I got 80 hoverboards. Where did I get 80 hoverboards from? Yeah. See on there with the crown thing? See that crown? Yeah, that's where it is. Hit 365,817. Really high. Really high. Not really high, but for me it is. Yeah. This time, this is how I only got one, like, score thing. Like, bonus points. Yeah, I only got one of them. I already got like 100,000 more. Yeah. I got the monster board too. I hit like over 2,000 coins. That's really high. Yeah, let's look at our achievements. I got achievements. I don't really have a loosely one, but yeah, here's let me show you this monster board, and then I'm gonna crash, and then I'm gonna end the video. Okay. Right when okay, let me collect these coins first. This time I'm gonna be talking on this run. We're gonna hit 10,000. We're gonna be hitting 10,000 or over. Oh wait, the starboard. I have to. Sorry about that. I have to show you that monster board. Now the video is gonna be longer. At least I get a longer video. At least. Okay. Forgot to put on the monster board, but already. Yeah. Okay. I don't know why I keep stopping talking, at least. Okay. Show you this monster board in a second. Yep. See that right there? Monster board. With all powers as well. At least you saw it. At least. Activate it again. So I hate failing. Can't click that right there. Super jump. Jumped over a train. That's how powerful this is. And if we're doomed, we could just. Okay, I guess we could stop here once the hoverboard runs out. Now we're not gonna collect that jetpack. Okay, let's crash. Okay. Sorry about the distraction about that starboard. Oh, nice, we got one key. Okay, I'm about to end the video here. If you enjoyed this video, like and subscribe. Okay, see you in the next video. Peace.